Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. I'm good. Sir, as we know that you like, there's a upcoming movie. We're waiting for that, Munna Michael. So I would like to know something about the movie and also the reason behind this name. Like, it's a very creative name, Munna Michael. Why Munna Michael?
Character's name is Munna, and the character is a huge fan of Michael Jackson. So the director just sort of put one and one together, two and two together, and sort of made Munna Michael out of that. About the film, it's a family entertainer. It's a family drama. It's a drama. It's got action. It's a very holistic film, and it's got a very important message. खासकर आज के यूथ के लिए बहुत ही अहम संदेश है इसमें. So
संदेश शेयर करना चाहेंगे आप? थोड़ा सा.
चलो, well, it's all about following your dreams and chasing your dreams.
And so we all know that you are a very shy person by nature in your private life. So this field needs you to be outgoing, socialite. So how did you decide that okay, I can fit here? Like, share something.
I didn't decide. Fate sort of got me here. I believe I wanted to play football for my country.
How do you cope up with
And,
that personality or you?
I don't know, it's difficult, but I have to. It's part and parcel of my job. But actually, I'm most comfortable on stage or in front of a camera. So yeah.
We're very happy that you're here at Marva Studios, and I wish you all the very best for your movie.
मुन्ना माइकल नाम है मेरा. तीन बत्ती में किसी से भी पूछेगा ना तो हाथ पकड़ के घर पे छोड़ेगा.
डॉली नाम है मेरा, बेबी डॉल नहीं. हाथ छोटे पर पढ़ते तेज है.
जैसा बोलूंगा वैसा करना पड़ेगा. मतलब कब सोना है, कब उठना है, क्या खाना है, क्या नो पीना है.
वैसे एक सलाह दूं तुझे, कोई बड़ा ड्रीम देख, वो कर जिसके लिए तू बना हो.
तू किसके लिए बनेगा?
डांसिंग स्टार की ट्रॉफी जीतनी है मुझे, मेरा सबसे बड़ा सपना.
अरे एकला है तू, झगड़े की सोचना भी मत.
मुन्ना झगड़ा नहीं करता, मुन्ना सिर्फ पीटता है.
Welcome to Marva Studios. I'm glad that you're here. So, since this is your debut movie, I've heard that. So, what was your experience while shooting, and how you felt?
I was very nervous because I'm not a trained actor. I've not been to a studio like this, like you guys have here. But I was very raw. Whatever I've done, I've just done it from my heart. And my first instinct. Thank you. Thank you so much. तो जितना भी हुआ मैंने किया है. अभी मैंने एक्टिंग क्लासेस, थिएटर वर्कशॉप्स ज्वाइन की है.
I'm sure आपने बहुत अच्छा किया होगा, and all the very best. And थोड़ा सा और आप शेयर करेंगे, like एक्टिंग करने के लिए कहीं ना कहीं से इंटरेस्ट बनता है, कहीं ना कहीं से इंस्पायर होता है इंसान. तो आप कहाँ से इंस्पायर हुए? क्योंकि आपका बैकग्राउंड तो बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है, मैंने सुना है. बिजनेस स्कूल और समथिंग
किया है मैंने.
हाँ जी. तो
फैशन का कोर्स भी किया है. लेकिन बचपन से मैं टीवी बहुत देखती थी, दिन रात टीवी देखती थी. तो मुझे हमेशा से बस उस टीवी के अंदर होना था. मेरी दुनिया वही थी. पता नहीं था कैसे होगा, बट पता था कि होगा, बस रास्ता नहीं दिखा. आई वॉज वेरी लॉस्ट. इसलिए मैं पढ़ते गई, करते गई. बिकॉज पेरेंट्स ने भी बोला कि एक डिग्री ले लो, उसके बाद जो करना है करो. तो मैंने BBM इसीलिए किया. टाइम वेस्ट ही किया आई थिंक.
ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर योर फिल्म. एक क्वेश्चन और छोटा सा पूछ लूँ. मेरा एक ये क्वेश्चन भी है कि आप बहुत सारी जगह प्रमोशंस के लिए गए होंगे, डिफरेंट स्टेट्स एंड डिफरेंट इंस्टीट्यूशंस. सो यहाँ पे मारवा स्टूडियो में आके आपको क्या डिफरेंट लग रहा है?
आई थिंक अभी तक तो हम बस मारवा सर से मिले हैं. एंड ही सीम्स लाइक अ वेरी एजुकेटेड, वेल स्पोकन पर्सन. पर आई एम हैप्पी टू बी हियर बिकॉज यहाँ पे इन बच्चों को पता है कि उनको क्या करना है और उनको रास्ता मिल गया है. या दैट्स बिकॉज ऑफ सर. तो आई थिंक दैट्स ग्रेट. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू मीट देम एंड सी शायद आई लर्न समथिंग फ्रॉम देम बिकॉज मैंने कुछ फॉर्मली सीखा नहीं है. तो मैं यहाँ पे सीखने आई हूँ आज.
You appear to be a born artist, so all the very best for your film.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm very happy that he has done a wonderful job in his next film, Bagi. And I'm sure you have seen that film. The next film, A Flying Jart. And the best part is that his next film is going to be better than all these. And he's going to be here with Munna Michael. Well, let me take wait one more minute. On the right side, I have another this good-looking, beautiful woman. A heartiest welcome to Nidhi Agarwal. Nidhi Agarwal, she's a very popular model. She's been a winner of Miss Diva 2014. And the best part is this is going to be her first film. And welcome to Nidhi Agarwal to Marva Studios once again. Well, there is a lot to talk about this film. There's a lot to talk about these two stars, let me say stars, because reaching on this level is very tough. Let me tell you, more than 4,000 boys and girls, they run to Bombay every year to become an actor and actresses, mind you. But only 4 get successful. So you can imagine it's not only the good luck, it is not only the context, it is your hard work which actually pays in life. So this is a wonderful time for all of us to have an excellent interaction with two very important people of the day. Let me request Tiger Shroff to speak lots of words.
Hi guys, thank you so much for the love and all the warm welcome. You know, it's a pleasure to be here at your school, sir. Thank you so much for having us. And you know, I wish I was a part of this institute. It's just the energy is infectious, and I feel I'm a constant learner. I think as an actor, it's so important to continuously learn and to keep growing from for us from every film to film, every experience. So, you know, welcome to the field of entertainment, and I'm sure all of you are going to have a very prosperous career in this, because you guys are in the best hands right now. So, thank you once again, sir, for having us, and I hope you guys enjoyed the promo of Munna Michael. इसके बाद डिंगनाई भी करते थोड़ा बहुत, ठीक है? Wow, it's the 3rd day, just the 3rd day. Well, congratulations on the start of your journey then. Fantastic, yeah, great start.
Hello everyone. So happy to be here. All of y'all are training to do what y'all want, which is great. You know, I didn't train like y'all, so today I'm hoping I learned something from y'all and do my
Ladies,